What kind of president do we need right now? As we begin the new year of 2026, it is of utmost important to have a reliable president that has a strong disposition with superb integrity and credibility. A kind of leader that can envision the future through positivity, creativity, and stability and prosperity. To every world leaders, I encourage you to perform well. If you were given the chance to perform a certain job, do it properly. If you need to speak up, talk. If you need to be seen, show up. Stop hiding like a criminal, a kind of guilty person that you just want to silence yourself. Silence could lead to many speculations, could lead other people to take advantage of your absence, and worse, can manipulate your own story or facts. In doing so, you've let them destroy your identity. Enough with your hesitation. Just stand up and speak up. Learn to accept responsibility and accountability. Please note though, any action you will make could have positive and negative impact. But it's okay. You and I learn the lessons through that kind of intervention.